Metal spoons, they're everywhere. From the humble kitchen drawer to the elegant dining tables of high-end restaurants, these utensils are a staple in our daily lives. You find them in kitchens and restaurants all over the world. What's the reason? Durability. Metal spoons are built to last. Unlike their plastic or wooden counterparts, they can withstand the test of time and repeated use. You can use them over and over again. They don't break easily. They also look elegant. The sleek, shiny surface of a metal spoon adds a touch of sophistication to any meal, whether it's a casual breakfast or a formal dinner. A well-made metal spoon can elevate any meal. Imagine savoring a delicious soup or dessert with a beautifully crafted spoon. It enhances the overall dining experience. But have you ever thought about how they're made? The creation of a metal spoon is an intricate process that involves both art and science. It's a fascinating process that combines craftsmanship and technology. Skilled artisans and advanced machinery work in harmony to produce these everyday marvels. The journey starts with raw materials. High-quality metals are selected to ensure the durability and aesthetic appeal of the final product. These are carefully chosen to ensure the quality of the final product. Each piece of metal is inspected for imperfections before it moves on to the next stage. Then, a series of steps transforms the metal into a functional and beautiful utensil. Each step is crucial. The metal is cut, shaped, and molded with precision. From cutting to polishing, precision is key. The metal is meticulously polished to achieve that signature shine. But it's not just about making a spoon that looks good. Quality control is essential. Each spoon undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards. Every spoon must be strong and safe to use. They are subjected to stress tests and durability checks to ensure they can handle everyday use. That means rigorous testing at every stage of production. From the initial selection of materials to the final inspection, every step is monitored closely. In the end, you have a spoon that's ready for anything. Whether it's stirring a pot of soup or serving a delicate dessert, a metal spoon is up to the task. So, the next time you pick up a metal spoon, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship. Think about the journey it has taken from raw material to finished product. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of this simple yet essential tool. The metal spoon is more than just a utensil. It's a symbol of durability, elegance, and meticulous craftsmanship. The heart of a good spoon is the metal itself. The choice of metal can significantly influence the spoon's functionality, durability, and even its aesthetic appeal. Different metals have different properties, which affect the spoon's performance and longevity. For instance, some metals are more resistant to corrosion, while others might be more malleable or have a higher melting point. The most common choice is stainless steel. Why? It's tough, resists rust, and keeps its shine. This makes it ideal for everyday use, as it can withstand frequent washing and handling without losing its luster. Stainless steel is an alloy. That means it's a mix of metals, primarily iron, chromium, and nickel. Each of these elements contributes to the overall properties of the alloy, making it a versatile and reliable choice for cutlery. The exact recipe determines the grade of stainless steel. Higher grades typically contain more chromium and nickel, which enhance the metal's resistance to rust and its ability to maintain a polished finish. For spoons, you want a grade that can handle the heat. Look for 18-8 or 18-10 stainless steel. These numbers indicate the percentage of chromium and nickel in the alloy, with 1810 being slightly more resistant to corrosion. These grades are durable and safe for contact with food. They're also less likely to react with acidic foods, ensuring that your meals taste just as they should. But stainless steel isn't the only option. Depending on your needs and preferences, other metals might be more suitable. For special occasions, you might choose silver. Silver spoons have a luxurious sheen and a classic appeal that can elevate any dining experience. It has a luxurious sheen and a classic appeal. However, silver is not just about looks, it also has natural antibacterial properties, which can be an added benefit. However, silver requires more care. It tarnishes over time and needs regular polishing. This can be a drawback for those looking for low-maintenance options. If weight is a concern, aluminum is a possibility. It's lightweight and inexpensive, making it a popular choice for casual or outdoor dining. But be warned, aluminum is not as strong as stainless steel. It can bend or dent more easily, which might not be ideal for everyday use. The choice of metal depends on the intended use and desired qualities of the spoon. Whether you prioritize durability, appearance, or weight, There's a metal out there that fits your needs perfectly, so take your time to consider all the options and choose the one that best suits your lifestyle and preferences. Before the metal takes shape, it needs preparation. Imagine a sculptor cleaning a block of marble. It's the same principle. The metal arrives at the factory in large sheets or coils. These are the canvases upon which the spoons will be created. The first step is cleaning. The metal surface must be free of any dirt, oil, or debris. These impurities can interfere with the manufacturing process, leading to imperfections in the final product. Think of it like washing your hands before cooking. You want a clean start. The cleaning process often involves specialized solutions and rinsing techniques. These ensure the metal is pristine and ready for the next stage. A clean metal surface is crucial for the success of subsequent manufacturing steps, ensuring a smooth and flawless final product. Now the real transformation begins. The flat sheets of metal will be shaped into the familiar form of a spoon. This process is both fascinating and intricate, involving a series of well-coordinated steps that turn raw material into a functional utensil. This involves a series of precise operations, each building upon the last. Each stage is crucial, ensuring that the final product meets the required standards of quality and durability. The first step is cutting. This is where the transformation truly begins, as the flat sheets are prepared for their journey into becoming spoons. Large presses, guided by computer programs, cut the metal sheets into smaller pieces. These machines are incredibly precise, ensuring that each cut is exact and consistent. These pieces, called blanks, resemble the general outline of a spoon. They are the first tangible step towards the final product, providing a rough shape that will be refined in subsequent stages. Imagine cutting cookie dough with a cookie cutter. The concept is similar, but the scale and precision required in metalworking are far greater. It's similar, but on a much larger scale. Next comes forming. This is where the blanks start to take on the more detailed characteristics of a spoon. The blanks are placed in molds and subjected to immense pressure. This step is critical as it shapes the metal into the familiar bowl and handle of the spoon. This pressure forces the metal to conform to the shape of the mold, creating the bowl and handle of the spoon. The molds are designed with precision to ensure that each spoon is identical in shape and size. It's like using a cookie cutter to create the basic shape, and then a mold to add the detailed curves and contours. The molds are meticulously crafted to ensure that every detail is perfect. The forming process requires careful calibration. Each machine must be set to the correct specifications to ensure that the metal is shaped correctly without being damaged. The pressure must be just right to avoid damaging the metal. This requires constant monitoring and adjustments to the machinery. Too little pressure and the spoon won't hold its shape. This can result in a product that is weak and unusable. Too much and the metal could crack. This not only wastes material but also requires the process to be started over, costing time and resources. This stage requires a balance of force and finesse to achieve the desired outcome. Skilled workers and advanced machinery work together to ensure that each spoon is perfect, ready for the next stage of its journey. Now let's dive into the critical stage of precision and detail. This is where the raw beauty of the metal begins to truly shine. Every curve, every edge, meticulously refined to perfection. It's in this phase that the craftsmanship really stands out, transforming a simple piece of metal into a functional work of art. Attention to detail is paramount, ensuring that each spoon not only looks exquisite but also feels perfect in your hand. This dedication to precision is what sets apart a good spoon from a great one. Heat is an essential element in the metal spoon manufacturing process. By applying intense heat, the metal becomes malleable, allowing it to be shaped and molded into the desired form. This transformation is both fascinating and crucial, as it ensures that the spoon will have the strength and durability needed for everyday use. Once the spoon has been shaped, the next step is polishing and finishing. This process involves smoothing out any rough edges and giving the spoon a shiny, attractive appearance. It's a meticulous task that requires precision and attention to detail, ensuring that each spoon not only looks good but also feels comfortable to hold and use. Quality control is a critical stage in the production of metal spoons. Each spoon is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality. This includes checking for any imperfections or defects that could affect the spoon's functionality or appearance. By maintaining strict quality control measures, manufacturers can guarantee that their spoons are reliable and of the best quality. Metal spoons have a timeless appeal that has endured through the ages. They are not only practical and durable, but also elegant and versatile. Whether used for dining, cooking, or serving, metal spoons remain a staple in households around the world. Their enduring appeal lies in their perfect blend of form and function, making them an essential part of our daily lives.